Alright, today I'm going to do a oil change because it needs it. I haven't changed the oil since I got it. I've had it for like 6 months. Not exactly sure when the guy I bought it from last did oil change. So I got a new filter and new oil for it. I got a little bit of leaks up here on the injector areas. A little bit of leakage. So see if I can tighten those up, stop the leak. Maybe I got to replace some of the hoses, which I already have the kit because I already replaced one. The return line pieces. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so you can see the drain plug right there. It's a 19 millimeter, or was that 3/4? And there's the oil filter. I'm gonna drain it. Drain this. It's supposedly about 11 quarts. So 2 3/4 gallon, almost 3 gallons. So yeah, open that drain plug and let her drain. Alright, so got the plug out, and it's got a little magnet to get whatever shavings. Doesn't look too bad. Alright, now I'm going to try to take that off. Alright, so I got the oil filter is really on there. So I went and got this Performance Tool strap wrench set. And I don't know. It says it fits 3/8 of an inch to 6.5 inches. I don't know what the max torque is, how much I can pull on it before it breaks. We'll see. Hoping it does wonderful. I thought I had an oil wrench, filter wrench, but I don't. So now I do. Guess you feed this in through here, tighten it up. And you go this way so it bites. Go this way so it bites on here, on the teeth. Let's give it a shot. So I slid it on there. It's a little bit of a tight fit right here, but I got it on there. Pull this strap tight. Oh, this is a two-hand operation. I'm holding the phone with one hand, so I got it loose. It took both hands, and I put a pretty good dent in it right there. Oh, oil's starting to come out. let that drain as much as it wants before I pull it out of there. Yeah, this is gonna get messy too, so I'm gonna pause it here and hopefully not get any of this on my face. Alright, here's the old one. Fram PH 3786. The one I'm putting in, STP S3786. STP diesel motor oil 1540. They also have synthetic, but yeah. Don't forget to take this off. Okay, I've seen a few videos where people leave these on, and it only punctures. It's only going to puncture here, but still, it's not going to let it flow in and out through the holes. So don't do that. So I'm gonna fill this up about almost full, probably 7/8, and then I'm gonna take some and put it on here. It is when I put a filter in there, it's kind of a little bit like this, and I'm gonna fill this up. Let it soak in, I guess. I filled it up to like right here, and now it's down to like here, soaked in. That's cool. Fill it up again. More. That's good enough. Jeez. I don't know what the last guy did, but he absolutely smoked that thing on there. You just have to put it hand tight. Okay, that rubber seal does it everything it needs to do. You should be able to take it off with your hands. I just snugged it up. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the today's date and the mileage on here with a Sharpie, so that way hopefully I still have this thing, but if not, then whoever will know the date and the mileage that I put this on. So put the plug back in. Don't absolutely torque that thing down. It's supposed to only be like 10-15 pounds at the most, because it's got like a washer in here that helps seal it. If you tighten it too much, it'll crush it, and next time you take it off, when you go to put it back on, it won't seal. So yeah, hand tight, 10-15 pounds, and all right, let's put some oil back in it. All right, so as you can see there, I have the mileage 188,467, and today is the 27th, 11/27 of 23. Had to put it on this side. Had to get in on the other side because I'm left-handed. I wasn't going to get to it, and it's still a little bit of an angle, so it doesn't look great, but it's on there. And I ended up finding a paint pen instead of a Sharpie, so that's even better. There you go. Alright, the oil fill is right here, right in front, which is nice. You see right into the gear that drives the pump, fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump. I'm going to put this in there for use in all gas, diesel, and ethanol fuel blends. You can replace up to 20% of oil with Marvel Mystery Oil. So I'm going to put some of this in. This is 1 quart, so it's supposed to take about 10 quarts. I put probably 1 full quart in that fuel filter. Not fuel filter, oil filter. So this is 1 and 2.5 gallons is 8, 9, 10 quarts. So it should be right on 10 quarts full of going into engine block here. So we'll see what happens. Probably down to about here. So check the dipstick, see if there's anything on it. Off the old stuff. Looks like we can add probably another 2 quarts. It's right on the second or the first D for add. About a quart left in there. Right at the top of the hash. Right at the top of the hash mark. So we'll stop right there. And run it, and hopefully it goes down a little bit. Or just let's see if it goes down a little bit. But it seems to take, what was it? Probably got a quart left in here. So 8 quarts. Because I gave it a quart of Marvels. So oh, it takes 10, because yeah, so a quart left over when I put the Marvel in there. So it would have took this whole thing if I didn't put that Marvels in there. Plus the oil in the filter. So it would take that whole thing, 2.5 gallons.